had you. It's only me, baby.
From the past, can't you see that I am?
You can't enter without a vampire's invitation. You look like a reject from Shawadi Wadi. Said to be a vampire!
When our things are right, we are beautiful and we.
I turned you into this fabulous vampire you are today. You have got such a short memory.
Thought it was absolutely fantastic. I was sat in front of him singing word for word from the album.
Brilliant show, definitely. Absolutely loved it.
It was absolutely amazing.
Watching the whole thing going, wow.
I've seen a lot of West End shows. It should be on the West End.